Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke, and for today's video I will be doing a new organize with me video, but I will be speeding this one up quite a bit and even putting some music underneath all of the footage because time is so, spare time is so scarce at the moment that I just have to do it like this to even be able to upload a new video, because I wasn't able to upload a new video right after Christmas because it was just really busy and hectic, and then Aeon got a fever, so yeah, that was like my number one priority at the moment. So sorry about that I skipped a week, but I will try to do some extra shorts content as well, with some little snippets like behind the scenes stuff. And yeah, I really want to wish you all a happy new year, because when this video will go up it will be the new year probably already. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to upload this one a little earlier or if I'm going to wait until it's like the 4th already. So yeah, it kind of depends. I might change it up a little bit and not post on a regular Sunday, so it might be just before the new year, but maybe a little bit after. But yeah, happy new year nonetheless. I hope you had a really nice holiday season and that you're all safe and sound and all that jazz. But yeah, I'm just going to organize some of my bigger gems, my more fancy looking crystals. Some are just really big. You can actually use these on your nails, which is probably what I will be using them for, but some you can actually use to do on clothing and stuff like that, if you want to bedazzle your clothing a little bit, or maybe like a bag or something like that. You can use them for a lot of stuff. Some are even able to be sewn down. That's why I'm actually mentioning the part that you can put these on fabric as well. But yeah, I just really think these are gorgeous, and my nails are just really short at the moment. I actually shortened my left hand nails as well right after recording this footage, so yeah, my next through nail polish video will be on shorter nails, just for the record. And I was also going to put some crystals that I had already organized together with these bigger ones, because they matched more than the little container that the other ones were in. So yeah, I'm just going to switch it around a little bit, but at the end it will be fabulously organized and not total packaging chaos anymore, because the original packaging that all of these came in is just so messy and you just really can't see what you have and then you don't use it. So that is pretty much my goal, to just organize it more in these nice pillbox kind of containers, the see-through ones, the clear ones, the not colorful ones, and just to get some more use out of them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely grab something to eat, grab a snack, grab a drink, maybe even paint your nails while watching this video, and let me know what you think about it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and of course hanging out with me the last year as well. 2025 has flown by so fast, it is crazy. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.